morning everyone, and good morning to all the dignitaries right over here. And I wish everyone a happy Republic Day to all the dignitaries right over here and my beloved custodians. Once again, happy Republic Day. So I don't take too much time. I just complete in a few minutes. So as we talked about the history of Republic Day, our faculty members like senior sir have said the history about the Republic Day. So we all know the history. We are given from the right school. We have been learning about the history of India and history of Republic Day. So today I want to talk to you. There is like, how can we implement this Republic Day? This Constitution, Indian Constitution, in our life, in our medical life. So I'll just talk about only 4 points, and we'll wind it up. And before that, I would like to tell you that we have to be proud of 2 things. One is our Indian Constitution. Our Indian Constitution is one of the lengthiest and the bulkiest Indian Constitution. No other country has such kind of constitution in any constitution in the world. So one of them is India. India is one of the bulkiest and the lengthiest. And one more thing, we are not a sovereign country. Sovereign country in the world is a country to kingdom and culture. We are own nation. Still there are sovereign nations. You think there is a big funny. Even though they are free from their British rule, but still there are sovereign countries. So for these 2 things we have to feel very proud of ourselves, because we rule our country. No others will rule our country. And one more thing, India is one of the richest country in the world before the freedom. India is now it's getting back again. India is one of the richest and the powerful nation of all right now. So on this special occasion, I would like to talk about on a few fundamental rights. You all know that we have 6 fundamental rights, major. So one is fundamental of social justice, freedom of equality, right to right to speech, that is right to freedom, right to equality, right to social justice, and right for education. So how can we implement this kind of things in our life, in a student life? Because this is our nation. We are the future of our nation. It's our responsibility to make our nation great. Not just everyone's just get reminded of that we are Indian on this day. We'll forget of this today's evening, and we'll again recall this day on August 15th. On that day we'll arise again. We'll put a WhatsApp status that I'm an Indian, playing the songs. No, every day you just remember that you are an Indian. Before you are an Indian, put your religion aside. Before, first thing is you have to learn that is you are an Indian. That's it. So first one is right to speech, right to freedom. How can we implement this on our students' life? It's like whenever we want to enjoy. Yes, we all have a right to enjoy. You can enjoy. Every enjoyment should be in a limited way. Whichever it crosses over the limit, it will be harmful for us. So always I would like to say enjoy the freedom in a limited way, where it should not cross your limits, it should not cross your boundaries. It always should be in your limits. And next one is right to equality. This is must you have to remember as a medical professionals. Tomorrow you will be treating a patient. So whenever the patient comes to you, you never see a religion, caste, nothing. You have, as a doctor or a nurse, whatever you do, you are in a medical profession. You have to treat them with equality, whoever it is. You have to treat them in an equal way. And another one is right for social justice. Do justice for your work. Whatever you do, you just do justice for your work. Yesterday I just said in the freshers class, you just stand for your profession, and profession will stand for yourself. Profession కోసం నిలబడు. ఆ profession నీ కోసం నిలబడుతుంది. You never degrade your profession, and don't give a chance to others to degrade your profession. It's your right, okay? And next one is right to education. Yes, you have any kind of, it's your right to have an education. It's our right to give you an education. So you have all the rights to ask us regarding the education. You have any kinds of doubts or any kinds of things, whatever you want, you have to come forward, because